welcome back to my channel. We are at a huge GROM meet.
And by huge, she means mini GROM meet, because it's mini bikes.
Yes, but there's so many. There's a couple big bikes, but there's a Z125 as well.
She's the only female riding today. All the other females are by backpacks.
People are probably like, oh shit, I'm a Grommy bear.
When I see an army of Groms go by, I just assume it's like an army of midgets if they were running down a track.
So this is my first like big group ride.
So what are some things you're nervous about?
I'm nervous just for one, like for the people that randomly like pop wheelies and stuff, and I don't know, just like not running into anyone. We're the only ones that are actually in full gear. Like I have riding pants on, Kevlar pants, I have my Alpine Star jacket on. Yeah, let's do this!
Oh, the open road with all this horsepower. Holy giant fucking M4 can. That's not the normal M4 can.
Sadly, I'm the only girl like rider. There's 3 other passengers, which I would hate to be a passenger on a GROM. Like look at her, it seems like she's like right on the edge. I feel so sorry for her that my butt would be asleep.
The downside is you can't do any of the things that GROMs usually can do.
Wait, we're running a red light! Oh my god, we're breaking the law! Okay, it's green. Okay, it was green whenever I went through it, so I didn't break the rules. I did not break the law.
So you feel better?
Yep. Oh, he's up on the sidewalk.
Dun, 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 dun. You look like a cat hitting a bell. He's been up long enough, his wheel stop. Good job, dude.
That's crazy. Right, the guy next to us? Oh my goodness gracious! Oh, but Jesus!
Abrupt right.
Shade! That feels better. Everyone's going to the shade.
But the problem I keep having is like, it's just, I always feel like when I find it out,
I have to sneeze, and it's gonna really suck if I have to sneeze inside my helmet.
just look at the sun.
That makes you sneeze!
No, it doesn't. That stops you.
Alright, you guys help settle this argument in the comments. Does looking at a light or the sun make you sneeze or prevent you from sneezing? Let us know in the comments, because I know I'm right.
He's cutting some of the bikes off. Wow.
Please don't let my vlog have friggin' a car road rage.
No, that'll make it go viral.
I want that to happen, but everyone be safe. That way, it'll go viral.
Stunting is less scary when people are on GROMs.
Yeah, whenever people do it on like the big super sport bikes, I'm like, oh gosh. Oh, there's a butterfly. That means good luck, right?
So an important note on GROMs, if you wheelie all the time, you can sometimes deal with what's called oil starvation because the oil pump pickup is at the front of the engine. So when you're wheelied all the time, all the oil runs to the back and then you're not getting any oil circulating. So to fix that, on Beautiful's bike, we have the straight up oil pump, which moves the oil pump pickup to the rear of the bike, even though she doesn't wheelie.
I have no fear of wheeling on a dirt bike, but whenever it comes to the GROM, even though it's way smaller, it's just, and plus I think it also has to do with being on the street instead of dirt. I'm getting pretty good at stoppies at least. Someone smelled like apples.
Oh shit.
Jesus Christ! What is he doing? I will end you. Yeah. I want to make friends with the girl with the tattoos because I have tattoos too, so we have stuff in common.
Is he throwing gang signs? Yes, he is. Oh, he's taking a selfie.
Okay, who is vaping while riding? I keep on smelling apple. Oh, it's the girl.
Okay, you know what? Finally, with all these GROMs, we have enough horsepower of a big bike.
Oh god, it's gonna be so loud. This tunnel is so long.
That's what she said.
I think I'm gonna go deaf. You're right in the way. Oh wait, never mind, you have a camera too. Oh. we're just gonna sneak around really quick. Just tiptoe. Excuse us.
Scoozy. I'm in neutral.
I love giving high fives. I can't stunt, so I just do goofy stuff. Wasn't me. I didn't do nothing.
They're doing wheelies uphill. That's brave.
That's pretty impressive.
Watch, next month you're gonna be doing wheelies.
Excuse us. Coming through, sorry.
As soon as the cage for my bike shows up, we're gonna start going out to parking lots.
Oh, that's neutral!
Ah! Skirt. Oh, there you go. Little stoppy. That was a good one, babe. Good job.
I'm getting a headache. I think it's from a mix of the tunnel and dehydration.
Ooh. Oh, shit. You almost got rear-ended. Didn't realize you were doing that. He was like right on your ass. And up. She wants nothing to do with that.
Was it a girl?
Yeah. She's like, I see nothing. I'm gonna go do paperwork. Oh, sweet shade.
Yes.
And we're out of it. Funny thing is, your best stop you've done so far was the one where that dude almost rear-ended you.
My butt hurts.
Your little tush?
A little tush. Drawbridge. Ah! This is gonna be such a fun motovlog. He's chasing him. Get on the sidewalk. On delay.
Yeah, and back at it. Damn, Daniel, back at it with the wheelies. Still going. He's going back pretty far too.
They make it look so easy. I love how there's one super sport bike.
I haven't even lost a bar of fuel yet. It's on the freeway where these things start gulping the gas. Oh, there's a crash. Yeah. Yeah.
Before we got there.
Like, oh, probably just like a couple minutes ago.
Hey baby, wanna play musical chairs?
Oh my god, yours has so much more power than mine.
Your seat is so much comfier.
Yeah, yours has a lot more low-end grunt. It's because it has that modified front sprocket.
Oh my god, he has a little miniature hand, one of the little mini hands on his handlebar. I want to give it a high five. Aw, dang it. He was bent over. They're like smiling so big. Oh my gosh. Wait, what was he wanting to accomplish? Oh, I was in second right then. It almost didn't go. It was like... That was so much fun. Alright, you guys, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know I enjoyed that. That was pretty intense. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell so you get notifications whenever I post. See you guys next time. Oh, ow.